Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.10, Problem 3. This is Section 2.10, Problem 3. It says use the symbols less than or greater than to indicate which fraction is larger and which fraction is smaller. And we have 3 over 7 and 3 over 10. So to determine the bigger fraction, we really need to make the denominators the same. So if I'm dealing with denominators of 7 and 10, a good common denominator would be 70. Both denominators would divide into 70 equally. So the first fraction will be something over 70. The second fraction will also be something over 70. Now, for the 3 over 7, that 7 was multiplied times 10 to turn the 7 into a 70. So the numerator would also have to be multiplied times 10. 3 times 10 is 30. And for the other fraction, 3 over 10, the denominator of 10 was multiplied times 7 to make a 70. So the numerator would also be multiplied times 7, the same value. So 3 times 7 is 21. Now you can clearly see which fraction is larger, 30 over 70 or 21 over 70. Well, the 30 over 70 is larger. The 30 over 70 came from 3/7. So the inequality symbol goes with the open end towards the 3/7.